Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to rate a movie on Netflix. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to rate a movie on Netflix. Maybe you have liked a video a lot and you want to rate it so that it gets on the trending or maybe the most liked one. Or maybe you didn't like the video, so you just want to express your feelings by just rating it to the lowest. Or it could be any other reason for you to rate a movie on Netflix. So whatever the reason it could be for you, in this video I'll show you how easily you can rate a movie on Netflix. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Netflix app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once it gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, you just have to simply tap on the icon of the Netflix app to open it. Once the app gets open, first you will read its title and then you will see this interface. In this interface, you have to select a profile through which you can continue getting to the videos on your account. Your profile might have more profiles than me or maybe have less profiles than me based on how many profiles you have created on your account. So you can choose any one of these profile or you can choose the most preferred ones by you. So here I'm going to select this blue profile. For that, once I tap on it, it will take a while and then it will load all the content on your screen. Here you can see we have a bunch of videos available. Other than that, we have options at below and we have option at the top of the screen. If you want to rate any video, first you have to get into that video and you have to watch a video. It's not the criteria that you have watched a video, it is just for that you have watched a movie and now you're rating it based on your experience or whatever you felt about that movie. So here I'm going to select this movie, or you could say this series, which is Friends. It is very famous and is the most loved one by all. So here you will see this option which is thumbs up, or you could say rate. So through this option you can rate a movie. Once you tap on it, you will see three options. The left one is a thumbs down, which means you hated the movie, you didn't like the movie. So if you felt like this, you can choose it. Otherwise, if you go with the second option, this one is for that you like the movie, it was good, it was fine. But this last option is for that if you have loved the movie, you think this movie is the best and it should be watched by everyone. So you can choose the last option. But otherwise, you can choose any one of these options based on how you felt about the movie. You just have to simply tap on that option and it will be rated according to it. Here I'll be tapping on this second option, which means I like the movie, and after that it will also ask you to give your recommended or your feedback. So you can give it or you can skip it for later, it's all up to you. So here you can see the movie has been rated, and if you again want to change your rate or what else you call it, you can do that by just again tapping on it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can rate a movie on Netflix. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.